Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. After a long time, I'm making a earbuds review and I'm very excited about it. So keeping the intro simple and short, let's get started. So this is the newly launched Mivi Duopods ENC F60. It is a budget segment ENC supported earbuds and currently it is available for 1299 Indian rupees on Flipkart. There's nothing to show in the box, classic Mivi packaging, so let's quickly open it and see the box contents. So inside, on top you get to see some paperwork, and then underneath you get to see your earbuds, which I will be coming on to in a moment. On the top you get to see a box that has your charging cable and some extra ear tips. So that's it for the box contents. Now let's have a close look of the Duopods F60. At first I want to talk about the case. It feels very nice in hand. The branding you get to see is very light toned, which I am just loving. I don't like flashy brandings that much. At the front you get to see battery indicators and at the bottom you get to see a USB-C port for charging. The overall structure feels quite solid and durable, and the hinge is also very good. And it has a very satisfying click when you close the lid. Coming to the earbuds, these come in dual finish. Build quality is nothing out of the world, but for the price I will say it's good. Feels sturdy and long lasting. You get to see very light toned branding on the stems, which if you see it from a distance, it will not be properly visible and gives a very clean look. When you take them out, you will see the pairing light is here. Then you may wonder, where are the control sensors? Control sensors are down here. It is placed a bit down, but it doesn't cause any issues. If I tap on this part by mistake instead of this part, this portion of my finger comes in contact with the sensor and it works. So even though the sensors are placed a bit down, you won't be having any problems finding it. So that's it for the physical overview. Now let's talk about the sound and comfort. So starting off with the comfort, I will say these are quite comfortable for the price and fits well into the ears. If you have the correct ear tips on, then you will definitely find it comfortable. Now coming on to the sound quality is average. If you buy it at the launch price, that is 999 rupees, then I will say it's okay. But anything higher than this price, I will say there are better options available in the market. The call quality is quite good for the price, and it was meant to be good. After all, this is its main USP. I used it while I went for shopping in bazaars and on crowded streets, and the overall call experience was quite good for the price. ENC works quite accurately if you use it on higher volumes. If I have to say something more about the sound quality, then I will say the lows felt a bit too low and the mids are not that clear. If you want to buy it for calling purpose, then these are good for the price. But if for music listening, then you need to go with something else. People who are interested in full specifications, here it is. For the battery, it will go around 6 hours on a single charge, and with the case combined, you will have a battery life of around 35 to 37 hours. The brand has not provided any numbers this time, so I don't have any numbers to show, but I got around 36 hours of usage time, so you can expect more or less. And last but not the least, it will take about 2 hours I guess if you charge it from 10% battery status. Mine was at 20% and it got fully charged within 2 hours. So this is it for the review. If you enjoyed it, then hit the like button, and for more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will be catching you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.